gonna ride through the city with my window down. Say Bismillah before I hit the gas, before I hit the gas. I'ma hit.
Hello everyone, this is Amin Motors here. If you have a 2002 to 2007 Subaru WRX with a Japanese EJ205 swap with single AVCS and you're experiencing problems with the check engine light, it might be because of the Cobb access port. If you're tuning off of an access port and you have not wired up AVCS, which is the only way to tune off the access port because it's not made for the JDM engine, so you're not going to have AVCS wired up. And then when you marry the access port to the car, if you're having a P1491 code, it's not because of the PCV valve. It's just because of the access port's communication error. Just because you have a JDM engine and you tune off of an access port doesn't mean that you're gonna have it, even if you have AVCS. It doesn't mean necessarily that you're gonna have that issue, P1491. It's PCV function problem, Blowby. That code, don't make the mistake of trying to change your PCV valve. It is an extremely hard job to do on this car. It will make your life miserable, and it's just not something you want to try unless you really have to. I just unmarried the access port and the code is now gone. So I'll just have to pass inspection before I marry it to the car, and then I should be good to go. But just so you know, not everyone experiences this problem. It might even just be my firmware, but I've been doing a lot of reading and researching on the forums. Other people who have an 05 wagon and then they swap a JDM single AVCS EJ205 and then they tune off of an access port to a stage 2 tune, they see a P1491 code. This is it. The people who see that, it's not because of the PCV valve. It's not the actual PCV system. It's just a communication error. And I've tested it. I've unmarried the access port. It's not here anymore. I'm going to update my firmware and see if that fixes the problem. It probably won't though. But anyway, I hope you guys find this video helpful. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Thank you for watching. Go.